Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. Me, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur from California Public School. Today's date is 4 May 2020. Yes, dear students, in the previous video we have to discuss about the two stages of the Stone Age. First one is Mesolithic Age and second one is the Neolithic Age. So, today we have to start the next one. So, firstly, we have to discuss about the changes in people's life. How the people's life changes. With, with whom? With the beginning of the agriculture, invention of wheel and making of the pottery, these things makes the too much change in the early humans' life. So dear students, with the beginning of the agriculture, early humans began to lead a settled life. Firstly, they have to move from one place to another. Now they have settled at a one place. They settled near their fields where they have to grow the crops. Firstly, they lived in a mud houses. मिट्टी के houses में रहते थे. Small villages came up. After that, little bit small villages. In the people's 2-3 families live. Then villages came up. Slowly societies came to be formed. After that, little bit societies in between formed. Next, with time and better tools. With the passage of times and becoming a better tools, more food was being produced. They have produced a more food, more crops. Now it was no longer necessary for everyone to produce their own food. So it is not necessary to everyone to produce their own food. Thus, some people took up a new occupations such as weaving, poetry, and metalwork. Just as today students, all want not to grow the crops. Some farmers do the farming and others rest one who are also the farmers but they have to do the some works. Those are living in the villages. So, people exchange the excess food with becoming produce of other things such as clothes, sports, ornaments, and so on. Means they have exchanged the things. Those who are weaving and do the metal work and they have to give their things to the farmers and take the food crops from them. This system of exchanging one item from another is called the barter system. Exchanging of the things. Just like you students, sometimes what you have to do, you say, dear, please take my pen and please give me that pencil. Or if you have to see someone's pencil, so you have also exchanged it. So that is called the barter system. Yes students, let's do some little bit activity. Solve this. Early humans made stone tools because stone tools are easily available. True or false? Yes, it's a true. The Stone Age is divided into 3 or 4 periods. 4 periods: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic, and Chalcolithic. Next, in the Dash Age, early humans made simple stone tools. Paleolithic Age. Next, early humans learned to grow crops, their own food in the Dash Age, Neolithic Age. The Dash Age followed the Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age. And next and the last one is the Chalcolithic Age. During the Chalcolithic Age, early humans used both copper and stone tools. Means in this age, copper and stone tools both were used by the early humans. The period thou short, it's a short, was very important. Why it is important? Because it is the transition from the stone age to the age of the metals. Copper is a one metal. Stone से early humans metals की तरफ जा रहा था. So that is called very important age. Copper was the first metal to be discovered by the early humans. अर्ली ह्यूमंस के द्वारा फर्स्ट मेटल है जो डिस्कवर किया गया था, डेट वाज द कॉपर. कॉपर टूल्स वर शार्पर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर, sharper and stronger than the stone tools. Chalcolithic remains have been found many sites in the India. Later, copper was mixed with tin. After that, human mind is a sharp, always sharp. So do something new. So they have to find the tin and mix it with the copper. After that, they have to make a hard metal that is called the bronze. So bronze tools were even stronger than those of the copper. Bronze stones also more stronger. The period in which bronze came to be widely used is called the Bronze Age, and it was in the Bronze Age that people learnt how to write. In Bronze Age, people know how to write. So this later was discovered. Iron was discovered. So about the iron we have to read in the next chapter. So dear students, in this chapter we have to discuss about the 4 stone ages. First one Paleolithic, second one Mesolithic, third one Neolithic, fourth one the Chalcolithic age. These 4 stages of the stone age. After that human being entered into the metal age. Hope students you have to understand it and listen it very carefully again and again. Thank you. Take care.